Hello and welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daydrean. Shenseea for the new Spider-Man soundtrack. The deluxe track list released over the weekend sees the Jamaican crossover artist teaming up with My Towers on the track Infamous. Shenseea earlier in the week made an appearance at the movie premiere. The Shenyang boss took to her verified IG page, where she shared with fans photos with a caption which teased that she was somewhat involved in the project, saying, quote, "I got pulled across the Spider-Verse and I'm so glad I was able to be a part of such an amazing project." Well, now it's clear what she was so excited about. The premiere was held in LA on Wednesday ahead of the release over the weekend and saw the stars out with their kids walking the red carpet. According to Sony Pictures Entertainment, in a release on Sunday, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse earned the #1 spot at the box office this weekend, drawing a surprising $120.5 million in US domestic sales, marking the second biggest opening of 2023. Sony also revealed that the animated film brought in $88.5 million overseas, bringing its global total for the weekend to $208.6 million. And as you can see, not even the rain could stop the franchise lovers from heading out to the theaters here in Jamaica. Now, the most successful Spider-Man film remains 2021's live-action movie Spider-Man No Way Home, which drew $260.1 million in the first weekend before eventually earning a total of $804.8 million in US theaters throughout its run. Taylor Swift's Midnights jumps back into the #1 spot on the Billboard 200 albums chart. According to Billboard, chart numbers set to end June 10 sees the blank space US superstar atop the list for a 6th non-consecutive week. And according to data collecting platform Luminate, Midnights earned 282,000 equivalent album units in the United States in the week ending June 1, up a whopping 389%, making it the second largest week of 2023 for any album. On May 26, Taylor released 2 deluxe editions of the album, along with a new color vinyl variant of the original standard album. Taylor Swift is currently on her US The Eras tour, which runs into August. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daydrean. Thank you for watching.